Hello everybody, Dumelo here from Würth Product Team. With me today, I'd like to introduce Würth Self-Drilling Tek Screw, the all-in-one solution for fastening plastic and thin sheet metal to metal substructures, designed to save you time and effort. Now, firstly, our Tek screws are made from high-quality zinc-plated steel, and it combines drilling, threading, and screwing in a single step. This innovation reduces installation time and minimizes thread tolerance, ensuring an exact fit for every screw connection. The press flange on reduces surface pressure to prevent cracks, making sure your installation is both strong and secure. The self-drilling screw requires a suitable drill driver, such as a cordless drill with a depth stop. It is important to use the screw perpendicular, so 90 degrees to the surface, and avoid using impact screwdrivers. The optimal installation speed, which is very important to note, is between 1700 to 2500 RPM. Now, this is perfect for fastening thin materials. The self-drilling screw is ROHS compliant and provides a reliable, efficient solution for your next project. Also, please keep in mind that this screw comes in two sizes, the 4x13 and the 4x19. For more information, visit our eShop and find out more.